In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Insightly CRM API key. First, make sure you're logged in to your Insightly CRM account in your web browser. Once you're on the main dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might be a small circle with your initials, a generic user icon, or your profile picture depending on how your account is set up. Click on that profile icon. When you do, a small menu will appear. From this menu, choose the option labeled User Settings. This will take you to a page where you can adjust settings that are specific to your individual user account rather than organization-wide settings. It's important to be in user settings because the API key you're looking for is tied to your user profile. Once you're in the user settings page, you'll see several different sections, usually stacked vertically. Don't worry about the other fields for now. What you want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page. Near the bottom, you'll find a section labeled API Key. The API Key section is where Insightly shows you the unique key associated with your user. Think of this key like a password for connecting other tools or custom integrations to your Insightly account. Because of that, it's very sensitive information. You should never share it publicly, and you should store it somewhere secure, like a password manager, if you plan to reuse it later. If you already have an API key generated, you'll see it displayed in this section. When you find it, highlight it carefully and copy it. You can usually do this by clicking into the field and using your usual copy command. This is the key you will paste into whatever app, integration, or script needs access to your Insightly data. If the field is blank, or if you want to replace an old key, look for the button labeled Generate New API Key. Click that button and Insightly will create a new key for you. After it's generated, copy the new key right away and store it safely. Keep in mind that generating a new key can invalidate the old one, so any existing integrations using the previous key may need to be updated with this new value. And that's all there is to it. By going to your profile icon, opening user settings, scrolling to the API key section, and copying or generating your key, you'll have everything you need to start connecting Insightly CRM to your other tools.